Hello, welcome back to my channel. We got Wigsy on because I'm having a bad hair day. So Wigsy is also having a bad hair day because I kind of cut a sideburns off, but it's fine, we're gonna go with it. I'm not sure about how the focus is, apart from I can't see anything with my contacts in. There's a lot going on behind me. I have moved house, so this is potentially going to be my new background. If it keeps focusing on stuff behind me, then I will be bringing out the backdrop. But it's been a while because I've been moving house. It was a really last minute thing, so it just kind of all happened at once. But I am back. The house is not finished, but I'm here. I'm here to give you fresh, not very good content. So today I'm going to do a makeup look, which I've been doing quite a lot recently to go with my hair, because you will not have seen it, but this is my hair right now underneath the wig. I dyed it blue, so I've been doing a lot of makeup to go with the blue hair. So I'm just going to be doing that. This is basically what I do a lot of the time when I've been going out. Now, I don't know if there's two looks I do with it, and I'm trying to decide which one to do. I'll decide when we get to it. So let's go. So I'm going to start by concealing my eyes and under my brows. Now I'm not going to carve out the brows, but I will be putting concealer under them. So I've got the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the Sesame colour C1. So I'm going to use this fluffy brush to blend out concealer. I'm going to zoom in a bit so you can see my face and it maybe won't focus behind me. So for the eyes, I'm going to be taking the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette, and I'm going to be starting with the colour Drizzle, which is a dark brown colour. And to apply this, I have the Morphe E18 brush. So next I'm going to be taking a lighter brown, which this is the colour Subtle, and I'm going to take this just above my crease where I've just done and blend out. And I'm applying this using the E17 brush. And finally I'm going to take this light shade, which is called Parched, and put that right under my brow bone. To apply this, I have the Morphe E27 brush. So now I'm going to take that concealer again, and I'm going to create a cut crease, just a normal from the inner corner to 2/3 of the way, and I'm just using the same concealer I was using and using the Morphe M224 brush. So now I'm going to go back in the inner corner with the colour Drizzle. I'm just going to be using the same brushes I have been using, just to darken up the outer corner. And then back in with Subtle, again using the same brush. And again with Parched, but this time using a flat brush. So now I'm going to go in with face, skin. I'm going to prime / moisturise. So I have this Lavera All Round Cream. I don't know, I got this basically as a freebie, but I tried it and I love it. It's a great primer. Now I'm going to take the Fit Me Matte and Poreless by Maybelline, and this is in the number 95. And I'm going to use the Beauty UK contour brush to blend this out. And I'm going to blend it out a bit more using my sponge. Now I'm going to be taking the same concealer and blending out with that brush again. now I'm going to be taking the Coty Loose Airspun Powder in Translucent and using my Real Techniques powder brush just to apply that. So now I'm going to apply blush. So I have the Benefit Rocketar blush here, and to apply it I'm going to be using the Luxie Tapered Highlighting. As for bronzer, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil in light medium and applying this with the Real Techniques blush brush. And I'm going to be taking Hoola Benefit to contour. And I'll be using this Morphe bronzer brush. Now for highlighter, I'm going to be taking the Jeffree Star Northern Lights Supreme Frost Pro palette, and I'm going to be using the colour Fold Out. To apply this I have my Morphe R36 brush. And for smaller details I'm going to be taking the Spectrum B04 brush. Now for my brows I'm going to be taking my Benefit Gimme Brow, and this is in the shade 5. Now I'm going to go back to the Thirsty palette, although I do normally for this fit use Splash, which is more of a greeny blue, but I think this time I'm going to use the one next to it which is called Submerge, so it goes better with my eyes for this specific look anyway. And I'm just going to fill in my inner corner. And to apply it I have the Real Techniques accent brush. So now for the sparkle I am going to take the Stila, I think this is Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the colour Freedom. I've taken most of the excess off it, just like on the inside there, because I don't need loads for this, but I'm just going to apply it on top of the blue shadow there. Just roughly. And I'm just going to use my little finger just to blend it out a little. Now for eyeliner I'm going to be taking the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, and this is in the colour Trooper Black. And I'm going to be using the Deuce Punk Volumizer Mascara. And now for lipstick, I'm going to go for a very summery colour because I think this is a quite summery look. So I have the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the colour Coral Fixation. Right, so this is the finished look. Now, this is a very summery look. I have just been wearing it recently to go with my hair, which is hidden. But yes, I hope you did enjoy this one. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below and don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell notification. But before you go, also check out my second Instagram down below, which is for my art. I am starting to sell prints and I'm looking at selling other stuff. I'm currently only selling prints and cards, but future projects coming soon. So that is also why I've not been on YouTube, because I've been doing my art. But yes, I will leave a link for the wig down below if I can find that. And yeah, I will see you next time with another video. Thank you for watching.